Did you know a shark could smell one drop of blood from miles away in the ocean? You see how accurate that is? The white man could smell it from eons and light years away. The white man has a better olfactory system when it comes to blood than sharks. I'm telling you right now. How do you know? I'm gonna tell you how I know that. Because there are more shark casualties than human casualties. Oh, you're surprised. Sharks die more than humans. You know why? Because the white man is the devil the Bible speaks of. That's why.